how to buy GUNZ token on get.io. Now this token came under the symbol of GUN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. Now first of all, open your get.io account and make sure to find your account with some USDT. After that, go to this search icon. Now head over to it, and after that in the search bar type the GUN, the token name, and you will be able to find the pair that have USDT. Now this is our token. Now click on it. After that, they will redirect you to trade page to be able to buy this token on this page. Now after that, click on the buy option, not the sell, because we want to buy this token. Now after that, click on limit, and here type the amount that you want to buy of that token, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy GUN. Now if you select the market, just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account, or you can type the amount that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click on buy GUN. So this is how to buy GUN token on get.io. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.